Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Phantom Assassin in Dota 2. Phantom Assassin is a powerful melee agility hero known for her incredible critical strikes and evasion. She thrives as a hard carry, aiming to dominate the late game with immense damage. Her kit allows for high mobility and burst damage, making her perfect for eliminating key enemy heroes. Understanding her abilities, especially her ultimate, coup de grace, is crucial for maximizing her impact in every match. During the early game, your main goal is to farm efficiently and secure a gold lead. Focus on last-hitting creeps and denying your opponent's experience and gold. Start with basic items like a stout shield and tangos to help you survive the laning phase. Use Stifling Dagger to harass enemies from a distance or to grab those hard-to-reach last hits. Your first major item should almost always be Battle Fury to significantly boost your farming speed. In the mid-game, after completing your Battle Fury, you'll want to build Power Treads for increased attack speed and attributes. Desolator is an excellent follow-up, as its armor reduction synergizes perfectly with your critical strikes. Black King Bar is often a crucial purchase, granting you magic immunity to survive enemy spells during team fights. Depending on the enemy lineup, a Skull Basher can provide valuable stun control, later upgrading into the powerful Abyssal Blade. In the late game, your role is to be the primary damage dealer and assassin. Position yourself smartly in team fights, waiting for the opportune moment to strike after crucial enemy abilities are on cooldown. Prioritize eliminating vulnerable support heroes or high-damage core heroes first. Use Phantom Strike to quickly close distances and gain a significant attack speed bonus, allowing you to secure kills rapidly. Always keep farming to maintain your item advantage and remain a formidable force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.